guys, welcome to Family Create. Hope you're all doing well. So we all know that the battery life on the Pixel Watch isn't great and it lasts no more than 24 hours. And if we're using to sleep track, basically it's much worse. So in this video, I'm going to evidence some great tricks and tips to save battery and make it last a bit longer. I'll also show a couple of other tips and tricks that I've discovered. So last night when I went to bed, the battery was 30% and I did sleep track and I just woke up and the battery now is 5%. So tonight I'm going to go bed sleep tracking and I'll apply the new battery saving trick and show you how much battery that particular trick saves. By the way, I've been using the Pixel Watch since its release last October and I really love the design and the watch. The only thing that makes me repeatedly use other watch when I'm out and about for a long day is the battery life. And if I'm using the GPS or Google Map, the battery drains even faster. It will mean I'll have to charge the watch maybe twice. Whereas if I'm using sleep track, I have to charge it once at least to make it last a whole day. But with the new battery saving tricks, it's fantastic. I can make it last a whole day. Hi guys, so as you saw earlier on, the battery life on the Pixel Watch isn't great, and if you're sleep tracking the previous night, the next day is almost impossible to last whole day. You'll have to charge it at least once to make it last the full day. So tonight I'm going to show you a trick which should help with the battery life when you're sleep tracking. So the last time when I sleep tracked, I showed you guys I done a normal sleep tracking and it took, the battery was drained by 25%. Tonight I'm going to show you the trick to show how much battery we save. So as you can see here, it's 38% and battery at the moment, and like last time I'll put on the sleep time mode on, which I done last time as well, and I will also put on the airplane mode. Please note that when you put the airplane mode on, you will not get notification or calls, but who needs that when you're sleeping? I don't really need notification or calls to come through to my watch, and it will also turn off any other apps or anything that's running on the background. However, it will continue to monitor and sleep track, and tomorrow morning I'll show you the difference in battery drainage with the airplane mode on. So I'm going to bed now. It's 12:27 and normally I wake up around 7:30, so I'll update you tomorrow morning. Good night. Hi guys, so first thing in the morning is 7:35 a.m. So last night, by the time I finished the video, it was 37% when I went to bed, and when I woke up it's 24%. So the battery drainage was 13%, so quite a lot of saving there. So now I can actually do my normal morning routine, like drop the kids off to school, get my steps in and so forth, and then last it till at least the morning and at least until midday before I need another charge. So guys, I've noticed this consistently over several tests and I'm continually using it as well. So give it a try and comment down below and let me know what your results are. I hope this trick helps you. Obviously, I'm up now. I'll be putting the sleep tracking off, airplane mode off, and back to the normal brightness as well. I'll show you another trick later on today as well. By the way, just for information, I have my phone always on display, but obviously when I do sleep tracking and put on the sleep tracking mode, it's not running down the background either. Just to give you a perspective, if I went to bed at 100% with the tip, the battery drainage would have been 13% and I would have woken up around 87%. But without the battery saving tip, if I went to bed at 100% and you'd have drained 25% battery. I'd have woken up at 75%. So you can see the huge battery saving there. So another battery saving tip that I know is a great help is a lot of people who have LTE on leave it on, and at the background this is using a lot of battery. So what I do is when I'm home or the phone is with me, I disable it, so that saves a lot of battery. And when I'm out and not taking the phone with me, I just put LTE back on. So that's something else that you can consider and save some battery if you're going to be out for a while and you don't want to do a second charge or be running out of battery. Just to quickly also show you the LTE, how to switch it off. So go to setting, connectivity, mobile, and then you see it got automatic or off. I leave it to off. If you leave it to auto, even though it's on auto, you know that it's there on the background. Sometimes it might not be using it as much, but it's running, it's always looking for it. So it's best to if you don't need it, have it on off, so it's saving some battery. And I know that it does save quite a lot of battery from my testings. So as you can see, with that kind of battery saving trick, I've actually managed to go bed. So I charged the previous night and the battery lasted the whole day, and then I managed to go to bed at 37% and woke up still with some battery. So and I can still continue a couple of hours in the morning before I need to charge again. So these are the kind of implication we get with that kind of battery saving trick. So guys, try these battery saving tips and comment down below and let me know how much battery you've saved. I know that with my experience in testing, I have prolonged my battery quite a lot, and when I'm out for a full day and if I've used those battery tips, the watch will last a whole day without me having to basically try to give it a second charge, because I needed to make it last the whole day. So give it a try and let me know. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video useful, please do give it a like and support us by subscribing. Until next time, do take care. Bye bye.